Okay, so welcome back. Today's job is a pond that's full of blanket weed, and we're here to remove it. So there's so much of it and it's taking over pretty much everywhere. The only way to do it is to drain the pond, clean it out, physically remove it, and then the trick to keep it at bay is to give it at least a week and then put in a full treatment and treat it when you haven't got it, and then it really struggles to come back. I'll show you which treatment we use after the video, and yeah, let's get stuck in. Okay, so first things first, as usual, in goes the submersible. Gets the water out nice and quick. Fill up the holding tank at the same time. Catch a few frogs, quite a few frogs on this one actually. Frogs and toads, a couple of newts. Supposed to leave the water, but they're still here. Obviously it's not cold enough for them yet. Okay, so we get some of the plants out, chop them back a little bit, cut the roots back, tidy up. Heavy jet wash, gets rid of all the blanket weed. You may want to go softer on the liner, it just depends, but we put in a thick butyl liner so we can use the same nozzle on that as well to get rid of the blanket weed nice and quick. And then we'll tidy up the top pond and let's go see what's around the area. Okay, so jet wash all the sides down, base everywhere like that. Catch the fish, put them in the holding tanks. A few newts, lots of wildlife in this one. Get the hoover on, suck out the last few bits of dirty water. All the equipment are clean, jet wash off the pumps, pipe work. Cup of tea from the customer. Get the last bits of water out really. Get the plants back in. Take off some loose blanket weed. Treat the tap water. There we go. It's just a few frogs. Go back into the house. A new home. Won't take long for those plants to be back in full bloom. Fish back in, clean the filters, check the UV, okay, and a few before and after pictures. So this is the blanket weed treatment we use. Cloverleaf blanket answer. Makes the water go a little bit milky for a few days, but it clears up with the filter system, and put it in after you clean the pond out, so within the first week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. The more you do, the more we can do. Hope you enjoyed it.